Welcome to Unlocking Your Online Wealth, Proven Strategies to Make Money Online. In this video, we will reveal effective methods that can help you generate income from the comfort of your own home. So, let's get started. Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind? With the power of the internet, you have the opportunity to create a lucrative online income stream. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student looking to earn extra cash, or simply seeking financial freedom, this video is for you. One proven strategy to make money online is through freelancing. Platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr connect freelance professionals with clients from around the world. So put your skills to work and start offering your expertise in areas like writing, graphic design, coding, or video editing. Another way to make money online is by starting your own e-commerce store. With platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, you can easily set up an online store and sell products to a global audience. Find a niche that suits your interests, source quality products, and market them effectively to generate sales. If you have a passion for creating content, you can monetize your skills through YouTube. By producing engaging videos and building a loyal audience, you can earn revenue through advertisements, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Tap into your creativity and share your knowledge or talents with the world. Affiliate marketing is another popular method to make money online. By promoting products or services on your website or social media platforms, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Find reputable affiliate programs that align with your audience and start earning passive income. Perhaps the most important advice for making money online is perseverance and consistency. Building a sustainable income takes time and effort, so don't give up when faced with initial challenges. Stay focused, continue learning, and adapt to changes in the online landscape. In conclusion, with the right strategies, dedication, and a little bit of creativity, you can unlock your online wealth. So, take action today and start generating income from the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.